Hello, welcome to our art appreciation class this semester, and on this episode, I will discuss the assumptions and functions of art. Assumptions of art. Art is universal. Why? Because it is everywhere, it has no limit, and it rises above cultures, races, and civilization. It is timeless. It goes beyond the time of our own existence. So masasabi natin that art is universal dahil karamihan sa mga artworks that are famous, di ba? Mostly they are made way before our time. Kumbaga yung iba during the 17th, 18th century, talagang masasabi natin na timeless yung mga artworks or yung mga art gaya ni Mona Lisa, uh, Supper, um, yung mga famous sculptures or structures like the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty. So, yung mga artworks na yun, nagawa sila way back kahit nung mga nagsisimula pa lang ma-develop yung mga certain countries. Art is not nature. So, another assumption of art that it is not nature. Bakit? It has to be man-made. So, nabanggit yan on the previous video on the common essentials of art that art is man-made. It is artificial, an imitation or even an appropriation of reality and nature. It can never be natural because it is momentary in the constant transformation of change. So, kaya natin masasabi na that art is not nature because para siyang adaptation ng something from reality or inspired by nature. And art involves experience because it is a depiction of our experiences. It does something with some physical material, the body or something outside the body. It is immersion in the arts. We look at it, listen to it, touch it, and feel its presence. So halimbawa, may makita kayong isang artwork na talagang para sa inyo, napakaganda. Hindi talaga maiiwasan na maapektuhan kayo internally ng artwork na yon. Mai-immerse kayo doon sa art na yon. Lalo na kung ito ay inyong nahawakan, di ba? Or naramdaman niyo yung presence niya. So those are the three assumptions of art. Next, we go to the functions of art. So first is personal because it provides comfort, happiness, and convenience to human beings. So initially yan yung nabibigay ng art sa atin. Social, it is for public display and celebration. It conveys a sense of family, community, or civilization. So some artworks really affect us because it reminds us of our family, our community, or our heritage. Yan. Cultural, it helps preserve, share, and transmit culture of people from one generation to another. Kaya talaga may mga artworks na kinokolekta dun sa mga period, halimbawa yung Spanish period, American period, halimbawa dito sa Philippines, no, yung mga panahon ng mga ninuno natin. Kasi it tells us about how our culture evolved, lalo na sa mga artworks na ito na ginawa ng mga ninuno natin, na ipinapasa from generation to another. Aesthetic function of art, it influences man to be aware of the beauty of nature because some artworks are really inspired by the beauty of nature, and through those artworks, doon ina-express ng artist kung ano yung meaning sa kanya ng nature. aesthetically. And spiritual function, it reinforces the religious or spiritual support of a culture. So, may mga artworks na may religious or spiritual connotations na halimbawa yung mga anito, di ba? Yan yung mga paraan ng mga ninuno natin before sa pagkakakilala nila sa mga Diyos or Diyos-Diyosa na tinatawag. So, kumbaga, yun yung documentation ng kanilang naging pamumuhay before. So, those are the different functions of art. As a recap, we have learned through this video that the different assumptions of the art is that art is universal, it is not nature, and it involves experience. And the functions of the art can be personal, social, cultural, aesthetic, and spiritual. So I use this reference for this presentation. For your asynchronous recitation, answer this question. Why is art not nature? So type your reply in the comments below this video. So that could be our episode for today's art appreciation class on the assumptions and functions of the art. See you on our next video.